Hey guys, welcome to Namatil. Today we'll be looking into the preparation of sweet pongal. This sweet is usually prepared during Sankranthi festival. Into a bowl add half a cup of rice. Here I have taken basmati rice. Add moong dal. Wash it thoroughly and soak it in water for half an hour. Into a pressure cooker add soaked dal and rice. Add 2 cloves. Add coconut milk. 1 cup of coconut milk and 1½ cup of water. Here I have taken coconut milk. You can replace coconut milk with just plain milk, or you can just use water. If you are using water, use 2½ cups of water. Give it a good mix and cook in medium flame for 4 whistles. Meanwhile, we'll dissolve jaggery in water. For that, heat a vessel and add 1 cup of jaggery and half a cup of water. Allow the jaggery to dissolve completely in water. We do not need a jaggery syrup. We just want jaggery to melt completely. Once the jaggery has melted completely, keep it aside. Now we have to fry cashew and raisins. For that, heat a small pan and add a tablespoon of ghee. To that, add cashews. Fry it for some time. Then add raisins. Fry it for a few seconds and keep it aside. Now open the lid of the pressure cooker. Mix the dal and rice mixture. Now add jaggery water to rice, give it a good mix and cook it for 3 to 5 minutes or until jaggery and rice combines well. Now add fried cashews and raisins, cardamom powder, a tablespoon of ghee. Mix it well. Cook it for another 2 minutes and switch off the flame. Delicious sweet pongal is ready. Do try this pongal this Sankranthi. Wishing you all a very happy Sankranthi in advance. Thank you for watching.